Good morning, sir. How are you? Good morning. I'm fine, thanks. Please come in, sit down. Let's begin in this job interview. Okay, sir. Tell me, what is your name? My name is Edgardo Herrera Ochoa. How old are you, Mr. Edgardo? I'm 39 years old. Where do you live? I live in Paipa, Boyacá. Are you married? Yes, I am. I am married. Do you have children? Yes, I do. I have 2 children. What are your hobbies, Mr. Edgardo? I like play soccer, I like watch TV, listen music, work in park, I like drive my car. What are you studying? I'm studying industrial engineering at UNAD. Who do you live with? I live with my wife and my children. Can you tell me about yourself? Well, I enjoy pastime with my family. I consider myself hardworking. I like to help other people, and when I don't working, I do my homeworks for the university. My family is the most important for me. Okay, where do you work? I work in a steel manufacturing company. What are you strange, Mr. Edgardo? I am honest, responsible, and I finish what I started. And what are your weaknesses? Well, I am a little sensitive and a little cranky. That's no problem, it's okay. Why do you want leave your job? Because I am looking for new opportunities for my personal growth and I improve my knowledge. Okay, and tell me, why do you want to work for us? Because this is the most important company in this country. It's my dream working here. Okay, and tell me, Mr. Edgardo, um, what is your biggest achievement in life? My biggest achievement in life is my family. They are my support in life. Okay, Mr. Edgardo, and tell me, where do you see yourself in 5 years? I see myself in a manager position. eh, and it's my dream work here. I hope you leave me the opportunity for practice my knowledge in this company. Thanks for your time. Okay, Mr. Edgardo, you are welcome. We call you. Thanks.